Robin, the workplace safety industry, if you will, it's a sector that really hasn't changed much, I know, in decades, maybe 50 years or so, been rather stagnant. That's the opportunity you saw with Anvl and your technology and your innovation to address that workplace safety.
That's right. And for us, when you talk about the industry not changing, there's lots of technology in place, but despite all of that technology, the frontline worker still often uses paper processes in forms multiple times every day. So that was really the genesis for us, is to take that whole concept of paper, put something more innovative in the hands of the worker that helps not only capture data, but really provide them with a guided experience in the moment. So that's what Anvl is all about. And then ultimately, it's about the data that we get out of that, which is tremendous to provide insights and guidance for companies to improve.
Robin, tell us how Anvl works. If I'm in a company that buys your service, how does it actually work on a day-to-day basis in the workplace?
Right. So you think about those companies with those paper forms and processes, they don't often have a smart way to transform those into something that they could put in the hands of the frontline worker. So that's what we do. We help them really with digital transformation to take those forms, to convert those into smart digital workflows that embed their safety business process. So the worker has a complete menu, if you will, of all the processes that they use in one simple application that we manage and maintain. And then they have that guided workflow that has unique things such as intervening at the moment where work occurs and also stopping jobs, which is ultimately important to give that worker truly a voice in the moment.
Robin, you talk, obviously there are very natural applications in the manufacturing sector, but you really say you can touch any number of industries with this product.
Right. We've kept ourselves very industry agnostic. So while we have lots of different templates available today to get companies started, those templates really are fairly broad for safety. You could think about pre-work assessments. That applies to manufacturing. It applies to energy. It applies to construction, logistics. Anywhere there's a frontline worker or a frontline supervisor or manager that's still dealing with, clipboards of paper forms and processes, we can help them not only provide a guided experience, but also actually help them be more productive.
Robin, you arrived in Indianapolis, in Indiana, about 10 years ago or so, and I believe as we were talking earlier, you said the first event you attended was the Mira Awards, the TechPoint Mira Awards. How important, in your view, is this event? Are these awards? And how have you seen the tech community, if you will, really evolve over the last decade here?
Yeah, it truly, the Mira Awards was one of the first business events I attended with the Aprimo team long ago. It was a very different event back then, but the spirit of it remains the same, which was really innovating and showcasing the technology in Indiana. I think it's supremely important when you think about startups like us being recognized for innovation, which we're so very proud of. That's huge to have that kind of recognition from TechPoint, from the judges, and from the community. It gives a level of validation that might take otherwise a longer time to get. So I'm super happy that we were able to participate and got the nomination this year and the win.
Okay, I think we're good.
Sweet.
Robin,
all right.
That was outstanding as always. Congratulations again. Happy for you, and keep us posted on everything you got going on.
Will do. Thank you guys.
Okay.
Really appreciate it.
See ya.